it is clearly within the power of this court to say, in order to meet the date of December 12th, you've got to have all of your votes manually counted that are going to be included in this initial certification by a particular date, and then the contest, if there is one, takes place between that date and December 18th.
Do we have information in the record that can guide us? Do we know how long it's going to take to do these things? Or are we just going to reach up from some inspiration and put it down in paper?
Your Honor, I think it is in between. I think there's some information in the record, but to be completely candid with the court, I believe that there is going to have to be a lot of judgment applied by the court as well. And
is this not something that the legislature tried to do in setting these time limits when the vote should be in and set up some reasonable, or what you contest is not reasonable, but some procedure, and isn't that what they've done?
I don't think that's what they have done, Your Honor, because if you look at sections 102.111 and 102.112 together, just those two together, even leaving aside the manual recount provisions, what you see is that the legislature is saying you must get your returns in by 7 days. But then the official returns, and there's nothing in that statute that says the official returns have to be completed by 7 days. Then the official returns, as defined in statute, to include the result not only of the initial returns but of the manual recounted votes and of the absentee ballot votes that are not included in those first 7 days. I think when you see those provisions, even if you leave aside the manual recount provisions, you've got a statutory system that does not contemplate that 7 days brings down a curtain.